Hello guys, how are you guys doing? Thank you for joining me again for today's video. I'm going to be doing a simple makeup tutorial, and yeah, if you want to see how I glam myself up looking like this, you know what to do. Stay tuned for this video, guys. The OPV gold oil, rose gold oil, to just moisturize my face. After moisturizing my face, I'm just going to prime using this primer. Is amazing, and this is by Dermalogica Skin Perfect Primer. Blend using this concealer brush by Huda Beauty. Foundation, I'm going to use something long wearing because I've tested this foundation for 11 hours and it works. This is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I use the shade Chai. Where did I get the wig? Details will be on this video, or I will link it. I use this concealer by Too Faced, the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Yeah, the shade Butterscotch. Beauty Bakery yellow powder. So I'm going to use the MUA concealer, the MUA £2.50 concealer. Yeah, £2.50 for this concealer, and I'm using the shade 188. I'll just use this to contour. This has become one of my favorite contour brushes, and this is by Huda Beauty. I know it's not cheap yet, I just like this brush. This is the Huda Beauty Face Baked and Blend brush. It's supposed to be for baking bed. Oh. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. So to bronze my face, I'm going to use the Morphe bronzer. Brow pencil, as usual. Adele brow pencil. This make my life easier, and I'm in a hurry.
I'll just use the brow mascara from Thrive Cosmetic. Just set the brows in place. Sometimes I used to feel this step is not needed, but other times I feel it's really important because it makes the, mostly when you use a brow pencil, it makes the brow pencil like last longer, if that makes any sense. Bakery powder. So for my eyes, I'm just going to use this cute donut. I can't get over this packaging. Revolution killed it. Okay, this I Heart Revolution donut eyeshadow. I can't just stop pressing. It feels like actual donut. Blend that all over my lid. I'm not going to be doing too much, like I said.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
If you have like a berry blush, that can also do. So I'm going to take the Inglot 77 gel liner. So I'm just going to take that shade that I'll use on the crease. I'll just blend it on my under eyes.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No,
I'll take a brush, taking my facial powder. This is by LYX. This is a really good powder.
song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go.
I'm just going to spray my face with the Too Faced Hangover Setting Spray.
Shadow turns to sun rays. And on
I'm going to use these lashes.
through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
I use this mascara by Topshop.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them
Take this lip gloss by Lottie London.
to thousands. And on we'll go.
To use the OPV highlighter.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
And as well use the setting spray for my hair. don't have any spray right here. Final look. Hair details will be on Instagram. Just ask me on Instagram, okay? And let me know if you like this simple look and if you like this hair on me, like short hair. What do you guys think? Let me know at the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember what I always say, be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, do you always, and remain blessed. Bye guys.
And on we